Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing fields, and finding the right country to start or grow your career in makes all the difference. So let's explore some of the best countries for cybersecurity jobs. So first, the United States. It's a leader in cybersecurity job market, and with its booming tech industry and government contracts, there are countless opportunities for cybersecurity professionals across many industries. Next is Israel. Israel is known for its cutting-edge technology and cybersecurity expertise. The country is a global hub for cybersecurity innovation and offers many opportunities for professionals in this field. All right? Now the third one is Germany. Germany is another great option, especially with its strong tech industry and focus on data protection laws. Many companies in Germany are looking for cybersecurity experts to ensure their systems are secure. Next is United Kingdom. United Kingdom has a growing demand for cybersecurity professionals, particularly in the financial and government sectors. It's a great place to work in cybersecurity with many top companies based in cities like London. All right? And lastly, we have Singapore. Singapore has become a leading hub for cybersecurity in Asia, offering numerous opportunities in both private and public sectors. All right? So these countries basically offer amazing career prospects and are perfect for anyone looking to build a successful career in cybersecurity. Leave me a like. Love ya.